Welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Math 11. Today we are going to solve for m and n. M belongs to natural numbers. 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 2016. First of all, we have to write solution. Now rewrite the same question. 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 2016. Now according to the question, 2 power m must be greater than 2 power n because m n belongs to natural numbers. So here m greater than n. So now inequality change into equality. So m is equal to n plus k. So k is the number, we have to add n because m is equal to n. Now come to the original equation. 2 power m is equal to n plus k. So here n plus k minus 2 power n is equal to 2016. 2 power n dot 2 power k minus 2 power n is equal to 2 power 5 dot 36. This is on the basis of the formula a power m plus n is equal to a power m dot a power n. This is on the basis of the factorization 2016. One, two, three, four, 5. Base m power 8, 2 power 5 dot 36. Now we have to get common 2 power n from here, 2 power n from here. So 2 power n multiplied by 2 power k minus 1 is equal to 2 power 5 dot 63. Now equate the same bases. Even bases equate with even and odd bases equate with odd bases. So here 2 power n is equal to 2 power 5. Also 2 power k minus 1 is equal to 63. So here same base power equal, n is equal to 5. This is the value of n. Now we have to determine the value of m. So here 2k minus 1 replaced in other side, it become positive. 63 plus 1. So 2 power k is equal to 64. Now similarly factorize 64. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same basis power add. So here 2 power 6, 2 power k. Same basis power equal. So here k is equal to 6. Now put this value of k is equal to 6 in this equation for finding the value of m. So here m is equal to n plus k. Now m is equal to n. Value of n is 5 plus k is equal to 6. So m is equal to 11. So the final answer is n is equal to 5 and m is equal to 11. This is the answer.